Today we're going to download an HPL30 file from our USB drive. Currently the USB drive is inside the tablet. We're on the main screen and we're going to go to Project. Inside of Projects, we're going to look at the top bar and we're going to see a down arrow. We're going to go ahead and press the down arrow. I'm going to make sure I'm in the USB drive at the top of the screen. It's looking for an HPL30 file. And then in the USB drive, I have one project called Sample. We're going to go ahead and select Sample with the mouse and push the check button. It was that fast. The sample project has already been downloaded onto our tablet. It has one job and it has 6 control points already inside. I'm going to go ahead and click or tap on Sample and press check. This is the job that's inside that project file. It has 5 layout points. It has a drawing and it's named level 1. We're going to go ahead and push check to load that drawing. And then we're going to go to draw to make sure that is the correct drawing. And it is on the screen with layout points and control points ready to go. That is how you download an HPL30 file.